morning, children. Welcome to Science Online class. Today, we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 2, Keeping Safe. Children, what do you mean by keeping safe? Keeping safe means to protect ourselves from danger and avoid accidents. Children, what is an accident? An accident is an unpleasant event that happens suddenly and causes injury. Children, every day we read, hear, and watch about accidents in the newspaper, on radio, and television. An accident can occur anytime and anywhere. We do different types of activities throughout the day. But if we are careless, accidents may occur and we may get hurt. To prevent accidents, we should always be careful and follow some safety rules. No matter whether we are at home, at school, in the playground, or on the road. These safety rules can help us to be safe. Let us learn about the safety rules that you should follow at home, on the road, at school, and in the playground. Today, let us learn about the safety rules at home. Keep your things, such as toys, bag, books, etc. at their proper places. You or someone can trip over them and get hurt. Do not keep the floor wet. You or someone may slip on the wet floor. Do not touch any electric appliance with wet hands. You may get an electric shock. Do not play with matchsticks or touch any hot vessels. Do not take any medicine without asking an adult. You might harm yourself. Do not go near the gas stove or play with sharp objects such as knives and scissors. You might burn or cut yourself. Do not try to light firecrackers by yourself. Take your science book. Take page number 22. Lesson 2, Keeping Safe. In this lesson, we are going to learn safety at home, at school, and on the road first aid. Children, we should take care of ourselves and stay safe from injury. To avoid injuries, we should follow some simple safety rules. How can we avoid injury? We should take care of ourselves and stay safe from injury. Underline the word take care of ourselves, stay safe from injury. Take page number 23, Safety at Home. Here are some safety rules that you should follow at home. Underline the word safety rules, follow at home. First point, do not leave your toys, bags and books lying on the floor. You might trip over them and injure yourself. Underline the word do not leave your toys, bags, books lying on the floor. Second point, be careful while walking on wet bathroom floors. You might slip on the floor and get hurt. Underline the word be careful walking on wet bathroom floors. Third point, never touch electric switches plugs or wires with wet hands. You might get an electric shock. Do not put your fingers into plug points. Underline the word. Never touch electric switches, plugs, wires with wet hands. Do not put your fingers into plug points. Underline the words. Next, fourth point. Do not go near the gas stove or play with sharp objects such as knives and scissors. You might burn or cut yourself. Last point. Do not try to light firecrackers by yourself. Underline the word. Do not try to light firecrackers. Here you underline the word knives, scissors. Do not go near the gas stove. Play sharp objects. Children, take page number 26. Let's do the book exercise. Roman number 1. Objective type questions. A. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Number 1. We dash put away our toys in their proper place after playing. We should, SHOULD, should put away our toys in their proper place after playing. Next, B. Write T for the true and F for the false statements. Question number 1. We can go near a gas stove and play. Answer false. Question number 2. It is safe to play with sharp objects such as knives and scissors. False. C. Choose the correct option. Question number 1. Which of these should you not touch with wet hands? A. Toys and bags. B. Pencils and books. C. Electric wires and plugs. D. Gas stoves and firecrackers. C. Electric wires and plugs. Next, question number 7. Which of these objects can cause fire at home and cause harm? A. Knife. B. Scissors. C. Gas stove. D. Bed. Answer C. Gas stove. Next, B. Give 2 examples for the following. Question number 1. Sharp objects that can cause harm at home. Knife, scissors. KNIFE, knife, scissors. SCISSORS, scissors. Children, we can do the remaining portions in the next class. Children, take your science booklet. Take a new page. Now you write lesson 2. Keeping safe. Roman number 1. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. How can we avoid injuries? We should follow safety rules to avoid getting injured. Question number 2. Write any 3 rules to stay safe at home. First point. Do not leave your toys, bags and books lying on the floor. Second point. Do not go near the gas stove. Third point. Be careful while walking on wet bathroom floors. Thank you, children.